guys, I'm Mortise2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a SARGENT Mortise cylinder lock. It was in the care package from kind Victor VDE out there on YouTube. It's actually a Norseman lockpicker custom sort of pinned lock, and in the video with the care package, VDE did say that once I picked this on camera, could I send it out to somebody else? So that's what I'm going to do. I picked it the other day when I came in from work twice. It's a bit of a pain. That's the bitting on the key, so I'm not sure what's inside this. I'll gut it afterwards, but as I've said before, cannot do it during filming because of autofocus. But that key looks like the Rocky Mountains, as you can see. Key working. It's not going to turn all the way because of like the actuator bit at the back. It catches on the jaws of the vise, but you can see it works a treat. Show it out a tad. Locked up. All pins are intact, as you can hear. You'll be using a couple of different picks, Peterson D Forest and a Peterson Half Diamond. So you can get this open. It drops into sort of funny little false sets, and sometimes you lose them, then you get them back, and it drops over a little bit more. It's a weird one to pick, so it'll be interesting to find out what pins are actually inside this. I'm going to start at the back, work to the front. I find that a lot of the pins at the front are quite sort of sloppy anywhere. So to the back, just clicked and dropped a little bit there, so I'm just edging gently over the pins. Little bits of counter rotation with it. See, the first few pins are a little bit sloppy in there now. Try the small half diamond in a second. to the deforest. Just dropped over nicely a bit there. And this pin one binding quite a bit. Dropped over a little bit more and now pits. Like I say, that is actually pits, but with the sort of actuator bit at the back, it's trapped on the vise. So that's a Sargent Mortise cylinder, single pin pit. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.